East-flowing rivers. The Mahanadi River system. Origin: near Farsia village, Sihawa, Dandakaranya in Raipur district of Chhattisgarh. Important cities: Cuttack, Sambalpur. Mouth: Falls Point, Kendrapada, Odisha, in Bay of Bengal. The origin of Mahanadi is in Raipur district of Chhattisgarh. Its drainage basin is shared by the states of Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra and Odisha. The river sediments higher amount of silt as compared to any other Indian river. The river is joined by Shionath and Hasdo on the left bank and the Jonk, Mund and Tel on the right, before draining into the Bay of Bengal. Katijori River is one of its largest distributaries. The combined delta of the Mahanadi's numerous distributaries and the Brahmani is one of the largest in India. Famous Hirakud Dam is built on this river near Sambalpur. The Gudavri River system. The Gudavri is the largest peninsular river and is frequently named as the Dakshin Ganges or the Vridh Old Ganges. It emerged from Brahmagiri mountains of Trambakeshwar in Nasik of Maharashtra and pours into the Bay of Bengal by forming a lobate-type delta with round bulge and many tributaries like Purn, Panhita, Vardha, Manjara, Venganga, Penganga, Indravati, Sabari, Pravana and many other small rivers. Its tributaries run through the states of Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha and Andhra Pradesh. At Rajamundry, 80 kilometers from the seashore, the river is divided into two watercourses. Vasistha, which runs to Narsapur, and Gautami, which runs to other side, Pasarla Pudi, therefore creating an extremely productive delta. The northern part of delta is made of low-lying marshes with long split forming the Kakinada Bay. Pranhita. Origin: near Charmoshi in Gadchiroli district of Maharashtra. The Vardha river joins Venganga and forms the Pranhita river. It forms the boundary of Maharashtra, Gadchiroli district and Andhra Pradesh, Adilabad district. Mouth: it empties into the Gudavri River at Kaleshwaram. Vardha. Origin: Multai, Betul district, Satpura range of Madhya Pradesh. From Madhya Pradesh, it enters in Maharashtra and joins Venganga River south of Chamorshi. It is one of the biggest rivers in Vidarbha region of Maharashtra. Mouth: near Kauthala, Maharashtra, in Pranhita River. Penganga. Origin: Ajanta ranges in Aurangabad district of Maharashtra. It acts as a boundary between Yavatmal, Chandrapur and Nanded districts of Maharashtra. It is a tributary of Vardha River. Mouth: Vardha River in Chandrapur district. Venganga. Origin: from the slopes of Satpura ranges of Seoni district of Madhya Pradesh. The Krishna River system. Origin: Mahabaleshwar in Western Ghats of Maharashtra. Falls into Avni Gadda, Andhra Pradesh, Bay of Bengal. Important cities: Sangli, Vijayawada. It emerges from Mahabaleshwar in Maharashtra's Western Ghats and joins the sea in the Bay of Bengal at Hamasala-Devi, Avanigadda in Andhra Pradesh. The river runs across the states of Maharashtra, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. South of Bijapur, the river enters the Dharwine, gneissic terrain and creates a waterfall before entering the Jaldurg Gorge. Further downstream, it has created a gorge through the Srisalam Plateau of Kadapa group and continues to flow through it before finally emerging in the coastal plain south of Jagiapeta. The delta formed by Krishna River is of digitate type, much less complex and smaller, and it has then merged with the delta of Gudavri, Bhima, Tungabhadra, Ghataprabha, Malaprabha, Koyna and Mulchi rivers are the key tributaries of river Krishna. Famous Nagarjun Sagar, Almaty and Sirisalam dams were built on this river. Tungabhadra Origin. Tunga and Bhadra rivers flows down the eastern slope of Western Ghat, meets at Kudali, Bhadravati, Karnataka to form the Tungabhadra River. Tungabhadra Dam is present near Hosapate in Karnataka. Mouth. Krishna River in Alampur, Andhra Pradesh. Bhima. Origin at Bhima Shankar in Maharashtra. Indrayani, Mulamutha and Bhama rivers are key tributaries of Bhima River. Mouth. Bhima merges into the Krishna along the border between Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh, about 24 kilometers north of Raichur, Karnataka. The Kaveri River System. The origin of the Kaveri River is near Talakverei, Kodagu, in Brahmari ranges of Kurg Plateau on the edge of Sahyadri Range in Karnataka. It covers 4 states and union territories, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Puducherry UT. It passes through the cities like Tiruchirappalli, Tanjavur, Srirangapatna. It is also known as Dakhand Toshin Kashi. There are 2 temples, Kaveri Temple at Talakaveri and God Shiva Temple known as Bhagandeshwar at Bhagamandala. It is supposed to be an ancient river and has become youthful as a result of recent earth movements. The river creates a waterfall at Shiva Samudram before entering into a deep gorge. At places, it cuts through the Eastern Ghats and finally drains into the Bay of Bengal, forming a delta. This delta is quadrilateral in shape and has several terraces, indicating that it was subject to repeated uplift and erosion. Main tributaries of Kaveri are Simsha, Kabini, Suvarnavati, Bhavani, Hemavati, Akravati and Amravati rivers. Famous Krishna Raj Sagara and Mettur dams are built on this river. Hemavati. Origin. Near Balella Raina Durga in the Chikmagalur district of the state of Karnataka. It has large reservoir at Gorur in Hassan district. Mouth. It joins Kaveri near Krishna Raja Sagara, Mandya district of Karnataka. Amravati. Origin. It originates at the bottom of Manjampatti Valley between the Annamalai Hills and the Palni Hills in Indira Gandhi Wildlife Sanctuary and National Park in Tirupur district of Tamil Nadu. Its catchment area covers Coimbatore, Erode and Karur districts of Tamil Nadu. Mouth. Meets Kaveri River at Karur of Tamil Nadu.